Hey, I'm Aaron, and today we'll be taking a closer look at Dovetail Cube. Taking a closer look at Dovetail Cube. Okay, so we have here Dovetail Cube. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10, and it is designed and created by Oscar Van Deventer. Now, Oscar does a lot of 3D printing, and he's been starting to use this new filament with wood dust in it, and it makes it look almost exactly like wood. It is quite startling how, like when I originally saw these, I thought this was wood for sure. And then I handled it and it's like, oh no, it's 3D printed. And his 3D printing is very nice. Like this is pretty much almost wood. Everything fits extremely tight together, and it would act like you'd want it to. Now, the goal of this puzzle is to disassemble and reassemble this cube, and we can see all these dovetails making that a difficult task. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.